Hey, what's going on, guys? Sorry for not making a video. It's because I was really busy with my dad because we had a breakdown, like something in the basement, because we are going to be moving next year. So, yeah. Alright. So sorry for not making a new video because I was like, I just told you that, I was working with my dad. So, yeah. You guys know what that is? Just over here. It's not real. It's not a real gun. Cause if it was a real, oh man, really weak. Dude, there's no lighting here. I have to go somewhere else. Okay. Let's go here. Okay. So, oh, there we go. If it was, then where's the bullets? There's no bullets. No, it's not a real gun. Here, look, I'll just shoot it. It's not a real gun. See, look. Bah. Nope, not real. So, yeah. Hold on. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys. Where is it? I think it's in here. Hold on. No, I think it's in the other box. Yes. So give me these. Okay. No, in here it's not really good. I can put it here. I need to. I think this is good. Look at this. Okay. Okay, guys, so I wanted to show you these here. So, for this video, so I got this first of all, if you guys can't see. Here it is. And I got this, I think it was yesterday. I think I got this yesterday. Look at it, I actually got a new one. I think it's, I don't even watch this a lot, but I do. So, yeah. Hold on. Okay, if you guys knew the new, I think it was like the emoji Happy Meals. I didn't get it. My little brother, he's the one who gave it to me. I thought it looked cool, so I actually wanted it. So yeah, I think it was like 3 or 2 or 1 month ago. I don't know, but I don't really keep track. But I actually got this. Oops. So I got this one. Oh, I also have, just bring the camera with me. Here, just turn the camera. Here we go. Alright. So I think, hold on. Oops. Oh no. Alright, there we go. Where is it? Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring this. What else? What else? Where is it? I don't think I have it with me, but when I find it, I'll upload it in the other video. Come on. Right. Put that there. There we go. So first of all, I got this card. If you guys know, I actually got it, the Diamond Minecart Deluxe Pack. I think it was like trailers. I showed that the NTDM, and oh, also got the Diamond Minecart. Diamond Minecart. Beside it. So yeah, I don't really have anything to do in this video. I just like wanted to show you guys some stuff because I haven't made any new videos and I just feel like it, but I don't have really nothing to do today, so I should probably like, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything much to show you. I'll just bring a camera because I wanted to. Oh yeah, I actually got this yesterday. There. Alright. So I got the Diamond to like choo choo. Okay. Alright, so and I also got, if you guys know Steve in Minecraft, Steve in the Minecraft game. So I actually got him. I'm trying to get him to the, let's probably not even sit on this thing. Alright, I'll just move it out the way. And here he is. Wait, hold on. I did this. I think I already did it, but here we go. Take over. Hello everyone, my name is Steve. Oh my god, that's a good head. So let's just put this back. Yeah, here he is. Probably do that. So here's all the things that I got. Yep. I just got these, I got this old, so I just wanted to show it if you guys knew. It's actually a keychain, or you can hang it on your car. And yeah, so yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please subscribe, and please like this video. If you do, please subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace out. Bye.